Want to build a departmental performance and issue overview in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building, a comprehensive dashboard with 6 interactive charts and 2 data tables. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting from the home page, we'll import our data file. Just click Import Data, select your file, and we're ready. Now click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our departmental data, identifying key patterns, and automatically generating the perfect visualizations. It's creating status distributions, budget utilization trends, stakeholder feedback analysis, and comprehensive summary tables. And there it is, our complete departmental performance and issue overview dashboard with 6 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables, all created in seconds. We can instantly customize the theme for better visual appeal. Now, let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view transforms your dashboard into a professional presentation, perfect for executive briefings and team reviews. The clean interface highlights your insights beautifully. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element, making data exploration effortless. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.